Phil Pataki, president of Carcapsule. You've known us for years for the finest vehicle protection in the market, from our early years with the Bubble to our showcase models. And now we debut our Paint Pro Station. If you want an affordable, portable way to paint your car, ceramic coat, window tint, get a Paint Pro Station by Carcapsule. We have a high volume 4200 CFM blower. We have access points for your hose, interchangeable filters, and changeable interior walls if they get dirty. So if you want to be the paint pro on the go, or ceramic coating or window tinting, check out the Paint Pro Station by Carcapsule.